Hi guys, it's me, Rosanna, coming to you live from my son's room. I'm actually laying on his back because he didn't want to be in my video. But anyhow, so I came in his room last night and did something kind of similar. I just came down here to check on, see what he was doing down here by himself. And he was watching this video on YouTube. And I tell you what, every time I talk to my son, I learn something new. Because apparently, you can hook your cell phone up to be the remote for your PlayStation 3. He has a PlayStation 3 in his room. So, and if I'm the last person on the face of the earth that knows that, I'm sorry, but I found it pretty amazing. I was just looking on his phone like parents are supposed to do, you know, looking through their kids' stuff, making sure they ain't doing nothing crazy. And I saw this little, looked like a Wi-Fi thing, and I pushed the button, and my video popped up on the TV. I was like, "Hey, Jalen, did you see what I found?" And he was like, "Ma, really? That's like my remote. You can do that from your cell phone." I was like, I knew that. I was just checking to see if you knew that. But anyhow, if you look below, I will click, or I will not click. I will leave the details on how exactly you can hook your cell phone up to be utilized as a remote to your PlayStation 3. And you can watch wonderful YouTubes of Rosanna Gregory and Jalen, just his back, and everything that we talk about. All right? I will talk at you later. Until next time, this is Rosanna. Keep it real.